What's going on, y'all? It's Tyson with Open Range Studios, and today we're gonna match this action camera with this drone. We're gonna see just how well the DJI Action 4, that does have a log profile, matches the log profile of an Air 2S. So I recently captured some aerial shots of Lake Chelan, Washington, and I was also able to take this thing down a few water slides, jump on a jet ski, test out the higher frame rates for slow motion, most of the time filming on this bite mount to get those POV shots. So I'll let you check out the footage. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you enjoyed that little montage. As you might have noticed, there was a little bit of a difference in lighting, with the action shots being earlier in the day, drone shots closer to sunset. I still think they matched up pretty good. I will leave some of the camera settings and details like that down in the description, which is right next to that like and subscribe button. So if you do want to follow along for more, I'll see you in the next one. All right, peace.